Alright, welcome everyone. This is Wolfgang from Vienna, and today I have an unboxing of some bare bones equipment that I got from Australia today. Let's take a look, see what they sent us. So, let's start with the first item. Just unpack all of this before we start putting up the packages. It's a pretty big haul of various locks and lockpicks from the Bare Bones company in Australia. Alright, I think we got everything. So let's see. Not even sure where to start. So here we have the list of items. Well, okay, let's start with the first one. So as you can see, we have a huge list of items. And the reason for that is because many of the items that I got are listed separately. So let's see, the first item here is some type of a pouch. Let's see what's inside. And it's nicely glued down with a bit of tape. Let's see what's inside. Here I see. Oh wow, this is something that I have not ordered, I'm sure. It's a pouch. They sent us a pouch. Let's see what's inside. And inside we have all the picks that I ordered with some DLP resin handles. Oh, this looks very nice. Yeah. We'll go through each item later. Just want to check if they sent everything. We have 3 fingers. Some more picks. So all of these seem to be hooks from all types. These look like 15 tail picks. More 15 tail picks and some turning tools. Alright, so we have picks and turning tools. We'll go through each item later. Let me just check what's in each package so I know how to organize this. In this one we have another, this is a hard case, interestingly. So, oh, a hard case, bare bones case. It says Australian pickers. I'm in Austria, but yeah, whatever, I'll take it. Oh wow, so inside we have more picks, actually, and some tools. Some city rakes, some snake rakes. Interesting. Some more. Okay, this is something that I did not order, I believe. Some type of a deep hook set. I'm not sure if I ordered this or not. We'll have to check on the list later. As I mentioned, I just want to check where do I find what exactly. Oh, and then we have a dimple set right here. So these are left flags, right? Left flags indeed. And the white ones are right hand flags. Wow, you know what I like about these? This is just a small review. I will give you a review after I've picked some locks with these, but just from the from the look of it and from the feel. So this is definitely different from the ones that I got from Multipick. So these flags are definitely bigger. This is a curved flag, and I can actually feel the weight of these flags, and them. I mean, these things are heavier, a lot heavier than the more multi-pick dimple picks. So indeed, Barebones told us that these flags are full tank. So that means this flag goes all over from the top all the way to the bottom. So you have a full metal um, built into this handle, and the handle quality is just wow. It's amazing quality, to be honest. Okay, this is exciting. Let's just put this back. We'll take a look later. I go over each item. Then we have some more. I'm not even sure what this is. Wait a second. So we have one handle that's empty. I guess this is one of the three items that I got. Some stickers from there. Oh wow, let's see. This is a patch actually, not even a sticker. A patch from Barebones. Okay, nice. I think I ordered this one. I'm pretty sure I did. Some left-handed turning tools are very nice. Always come in handy when dealing with dimples. Some right-handed rib-bond top of the keyway tensioners, and these are curved as well. Okay, this is very nice actually. Some more tension tools and a shank for dealing with those pesky circlips. All right, let's put this back. We'll go through each item one by one after I explored the whole package. Let's put this on the side for now. This looks very impressive. Huge package from Australia. Let's just reduce the cluster a little bit. The clutter, I mean. So next up we have this heavy package. Guess what's inside? I can already tell you. These are not other than, oh wow, this is heavy indeed. These are none other than some Lockwood locks from Australia. Barebones sells some 33-4B45 blue belt locks, and they send them like this. So the whole package was around like 3 kilograms of pretty heavy stuff. So you can tell it's full of locks. Alright, let's see what's inside. So inside we have 3 Asa Abloy Lockwoods 33-4B45, so 45mm spooled padlocks. Oh wow, the keyway is actually not as bad as I thought. It's actually not a bad one. I was thinking that it was more pepper-centric than that, but this is actually something you can even pass with a 20 towel pick, I believe. So 15 towel is not even needed, I guess. Well, we will see. We'll see. I mean, I haven't picked these yet. Let's see, how many pins do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe. This is like a double. Yeah, it looks like a double. Oh, nice pop. And we have a clear view of the screw inside and the ball bearing on the side. Yeah, this looks very impressive. So these are blue belt locks from what I understood, and there should be 6 spool pins inside. or at least 5 spool pins inside these locks. We'll see when I take them apart. Pick them and take them apart, of course. Alright, let's put these to the side. So we have 3 alloy Lockwoods. Next up, we have more locks. Oh boy. Inside we have one Master Lock 410 bare bones edition. So this one comes with a very nice bare bones skull on top of it. So the blue one is something that I never had. I have these in different colors. I believe I have yellow, red, green, and now I have a blue one. This is a green belt lock, the Master Lock 410, with some nice spools inside. Oh, look at that bitting. Oh yeah, this I already like. So this has a similar bitting to the yellow one that I have, with a high lift at pin 5, I believe. Pin 5, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, pin 5. Very nice. This is very impressive. I like this small skull that they glued onto the lock body. This looks very impressive. I really like this. Yeah, Mom might even print my own. I believe I have one lock which doesn't have a sticker on it, and instead of a sticker, I could put up something like this. Yeah. What a great idea. Okay, let's put this back to the box. I'll have to sort this out later. And here we have one more lock. What type of lock is this? We have one key. It's an ASA Abloy 120-40 millimeter lock. Slightly pericentric. This looks like a Yale keyway. Yale 1 maybe. How many pins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. Could be green belt or orange. I think the 120 is green belt, to be honest. Oh well, yeah, this one is hard to operate, but it opens. Looks fine. Very impressive. I'll definitely try and pick it once I manage to operate. Oh, we have a very high cut here on position 3. This is some nice bitting, some real challenge, to be honest. Yeah, this will be interesting. Okay, so we have these locks. Oh, we have one more lock. Sorry. This one has a nice looking cover. Wow, I'm impressed. And these bare bone guys don't know how to package things. Oh, and this is a cutaway. We have, what's this? We have like a dimple keyway, and then a Schleg keyway, maybe. Is this Schleg? Yeah, looks like SC1, yeah. Schleg keyway. Around how many? Six pins. Okay, and this can be rekeyed even. But look at that! You can even see the driver and then the key pins inside. And we have, what is that? Double springs. Wow. Yeah, this could be a real challenge to pick, to be honest. Okay, no, not with these pins inside, but I could imagine you could make this real crazy. Let's check the other side, dimple side. There's something in the dimple lock. What's that? Did somebody leave a key inside? Is this what I think it is? No, it is not. Okay, thankfully not. It was just a plastic piece. Not sure what this was doing in there. Let's check if the keys fit. Pretty simple bitting, to be honest. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. On position 3, we have a very deep cut, and it works perfectly well. And this is a beautiful lock, to be honest with you. So compared to the multi-pick one, I mean, this is very similar to the multi-pick one. Let's check. Yeah, from quality, it's very similar. Okay, the multi-pick one has a very unforgiving paracentric keyway compared to the bare bones one. But yeah, this looks exciting. Oh, can't wait. And we have a pinning kit for it. I'll have to check what size of pins are inside, but we have all these double springs, which looks very intimidating. To be honest, I only picked a couple of locks with double springs inside. This looks very interesting. I'm excited. Yeah, so dimple keyway worked. We have one Allen key in order to yeah, and this Allen key should fit the grub screws. It does, yes. So this helps us in repinning the lock. We have one key. Wow, look at that bitting. Some high cuts at position 2. And let's see if it works. Very simple keyway. It's an SC1 keyway, I think. Ashlag. But it looks, yeah, it seems to be working fine. Look at that amazing little 3D printed and spray painted even. I think that this was painted like a painted case for the key handle. Interesting. Same for this dimple. Well, I mean, these details is something I love to see. It comes with this nice little case. I mean, this just can't get better. I like what I'm seeing. This is awesome. So what type of security pins did we get? Let me check. We have some serrated pins, some spools, and some normal pins. Okay, nothing crazy, no T-pins, unlike in the multi-pick setup. Yeah, these are just normal pins with some grub screws, some extra springs. Yeah, very impressive. Okay, let's put this back. Make sure we don't lose anything. All right. Let's go back to these picks again. So we have what the hell are these? I completely forgot what I ordered, to be honest with you. This was a couple of weeks ago. All the picks came with a DLP resin handle. So here we have, this looks like a medium 15 tau, so like a 0.4 millimeter wide gem hook. Yeah, that's gem profile. And we have something similar here. So this is a short hook, flat short hook, 15 tau again, 0.4 millimeter. Inside here we have some deep hooks, and I believe this is one of the yeah, these are definitely deep hooks. 20 thou, I think, 0.5 millimeter. Look at these, wow, these handles are really good and so light. The metal inside, so unlike the dimple picks, these picks are much lighter. I like this. We'll have to see how they perform, of course. Um, let's see. Let's try and lift some pins, see what they feel like. Oh yeah, there's feedback indeed. I'll be doing a full review once I got familiar with these picks. But right now this is just an unboxing and just checking what was inside the package. Yeah, I'm not even sure which set was this. Well, let's check. So we have 3 bones, deep hooks, 15 thou. I don't think these would be it. I think these are the ones, yeah. So 15 thou, deep hooks. And then we have 3 bones deep hooks again, which I believe are these. Yeah, 3 bones again, 20 thou. This should be this one. What else do we have here? Whew, yeah, what the hell is this? Oh boy. Look at these amazing handles, wow. I mean, the quality is just absolutely astonishing. This is amazing. Yeah, looks well polished, so the metal looks fine to me. It definitely glides inside the locks. I think that I don't feel any burrs or anything in the way. All right, this looks fine. This looks fine. This seems like 23 thou to me. Some deep hooks, and I'm not sure if these are 3 fingers. We have the 3 fingers and the 3 bones. I'm not sure which one is which, to be honest with you. I'll have to double check. We have more of these again. I'm not sure what these are. Yeah. Oh, it's the 3 fingers. There we have something readable. It's the 3 fingers, and this looks like 20 thou, right? Yeah, 20 thou. So we have these sets, 3 fingers and 3 bones. Yeah, this is again 3 bones. No, 3 fingers again. Okay, this is confusing. 3 fingers. Okay, well, once more. Another 3 fingers. Okay, this is starting to become confusing. I'm really sorry, guys. I haven't prepared for this video too much. I just got this in the mail, and I thought about making a quick video of unboxing these. There are not many videos on this equipment on the internet, so I thought I might add something to the topic. Yeah, not sure, guys. I'll have to do my research, really. More fingers, or bones, or whatever these are. Again, deep hooks. These are 23 thou, definitely. Yeah, these are pretty beefy ones. Again, 2 picks. So I think these are some type of a set that I'm not sure if I ordered this or I did not. I have no clue. I will have to check. These are really strange to me because there are only 2 picks inside, and we have all gauges here. So all 3 gauges, 23, 20, and 15 thou. Interesting. And here we have some more stuff again. Some deep hooks. I'm a little bit confused. Rakes, yeah, I remember these. I only ordered this in one type of gauge, 23 thou, because normally you don't need these in smaller gauges. But sometimes you do need them, but for this particular set I never wanted 20 or 15 thou rakes. Let's see what else is in here. We have the dimple picks. We already checked those. The dimple picks come with these nice turning tools. So these look like, let's see. Oh yeah, all sorts of Z wrenches. Oh, there's one that I never seen before, and this is pretty beefy one. Wow. Yeah, this looks pretty big. Make sure you don't have a... Nope. I don't think I can measure this one right now for you guys, but this is definitely like half a centimeter maybe in size. Yeah, this is a beefy one. It's a pretty thick one. What else do we have here? Yeah, a very small one indeed. Also looks useful. We have a piano wire, or what else this one's called. I think, yeah, that's a piano wire. Looks like good quality. There's no etching on them, there's no writing or anything. It's just more Z wrenches for dimple locks. Yeah, and we also have some, what is this? Some plastic. It's probably a plastic which you can use to put on your turning tools and mark them. You can probably use fire or some sort of heat source to melt them and add them to the turning tool. Interesting. All right, these are the turning tools for dimple locks, and we have more stickers from Bare Bones. Wow. Okay, nice. Put these away. What else do we have here? Oh yeah, I remember this one. This one is the ferrule turning tool set. These are wiper inserts, from what I remember, in different sizes. And these looked amazing. I mean, when I checked the website, the photos were really awesome. And I believe these have a lot of use. Let me just try and get them out of the package. There we go. Yeah, there we go. It's even it has the title Bare Bones on them. No sign of measuring or any size indicator other than these colorful wraps that are installed on these turning tools. But yeah, we have different gauges here. I believe these are like 50, 40, and 30 thou. Yeah, they look very similar to the ones in the Covert Instruments pick set, which by the way I'm going to also review. I had some experience with those sets as well, the Genesis and the Echelon set. I'll be reviewing that pretty soon. Sorry about the cut here. I only filmed like 30 minutes. That's what I was expecting to spend on this review, but we just have so much stuff to go through. Let's just go through the rest of the items so I can finish this video. Here we have the firmware or some type of a bone turning tool set, and these are the biggest ones. I'm not sure what these were called, but holy crap, these are massive. And yeah, I mean, these are something you cannot even bend. Yep, these have these double twists inside to make the turning tool more stable. And these are pretty big. I'm not even sure what type of locks require something as big as this, but dimple locks are definitely good candidates, I believe. Here we have an even bigger one. I mean, what the hell is going on in Australia? Australians have probably the biggest locks. This is, I mean, look at this. This is giant. This is a giant turning tool. I can't imagine how big the keyway would have to be in order to insert this. Well, okay, yeah, this is pretty big. I'm not sure what locks can fit these. Pretty crazy. Let's see what else. So we checked these dimple picks before. So these are the yes, left flags and the right hand flags. What profiles do we have? Let's see. We have some small flags here. Yeah, two. So these are three sizes. So we have one curved, one flat, small flat, and an even smaller flat. So medium and small maybe. I'm not even sure what dimple locks fit these. I'm pretty sure this one might be a little bit sketchy because of the size here. The reason I'm saying sketchy is how I was recently picking the EC75, and those have those require very small flags, and I don't think something like this can fit them. At least not the 40 or the 30 millimeter versions of those locks. The 50 might actually fit. I'll have to check. I will definitely check. And these are exactly the ones that I need for those, I really hope. Let's see. Wait a second. This goes like... Oh, I think I need the white flag, the right hand flags in order to pick those type of locks. Yeah, let's see. So these are the same profiles. We have one curved one medium straight, and a small straight flag. I think these can fit the multi-locks. Definitely the integrated, the 7x7 or the junior, or maybe even the interactive ones with the pin and pins. Yeah, definitely. I'm not sure. I would really love to try and fit this one into a EC75 or a 75 IB ABUS. See how these fit. I mean, they look pretty big. We will check what locks are compatible with these. I'm really excited to try that out. Alright, so these were the dimple picks. We had these giant firmer, or I'm not sure how these were called, bone type of turning tools, and the ferrule turning tools. So these ferrule turning tools have two sides, one narrow and one wide one, and these can fit multiple locks. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these out. Definitely looks like something that I would wanna quick. Let's check the rest of the turning tools. We have more turning tools here. Wiper inserts, again in different sizes. Let's check. Again, color coded. We have some. Yeah, these are like plastic wraps that are added to the turning tool. Different sizes again, and different lengths even. So we have a large one, a medium, and then two smaller ones. Okay, interesting. I'll have to check which locks fit these. These look like bottom of the keyway tension tools. And again, these twisted bottom of the keyway turning tools again. Yeah, these are very solid. You cannot bend them by just basically using your fingers. This is pretty solid. Definitely a good bottom of the keyway turning tool. Two wiper inserts again. Are they? I'm not even sure. No, these are bottom of the keyway turning tools again with double twists. And again, these plastic markers on them. These plastic additions. Oh, okay. Good. Get this out of the way. What else do we have here? And we have one shutter lock turning tool. Only one? Why only one? I thought they had a whole set. Maybe it was just a single one, but on the picture they showed like multiple ones. Yeah, this I'm not too sure about. I thought I saw multiple shutter lock turning tools, but yeah, even one is kind of useful because you can use these in those smiley dimple locks. You can also use these in when you're picking shutter locks, even car locks as well. So car door locks. Yeah, interesting. Only one. Kind of disappointing, but whatever. Yeah, and that's it. I think I'll have to go through this list, see what else was sent to me. Yeah, the whole package was like around 551 euros. And they even added some extras here which are not listed, I think. So Bare Bones definitely is a great manufacturer in my opinion. They do care about their customers, I believe. And this one came in a lot faster than the Cording Instruments package that I got from the USA. That one took like 2 months to clear. This one cleared in like 2 weeks, and I got it on the third week. So yeah, pretty good, pretty good. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll be uploading this maybe tonight. We will see. Have a good one. See you guys. This has been Wolfgang from Vienna. I'll see you guys next time.